My name is Courtney Hobart. I am from Chicago. I was having a lot of pain in my elbows and my hands, a lot of tingling and numbness. I went to see my primary care physician. Nothing was happening when I would tell her, hey, my hands hurt. She would just prescribe me medicine. And then she sent me to a specialist who told me I had severe carpal tunnel. More in my right, slightly in my left. I had my EMG and everything done. It just so happened that this particular doctor popped up on my Facebook feed. It worked out perfectly for me. I just wanted to get rid of the pain in my elbows and in my hands to get back to work. Being a chef, I have to use my hands a lot, cutting with knives, and it's very important that I have a good grip. Very straightforward. I mean, I answered a bunch of questions. They prepped me for the surgery, numbed me up, which I thought would hurt, and it did not hurt. Everything was just really smooth. We got in, the doctor talked to me through his procedure, and you know, I felt very good. I was awake for it, which a lot of people are like surprised at that. Oh, you were awake for your, yeah. It wasn't very long either. I do all the cooking in my house, so my wife does none of it. So you know, I was able to still do that and keep her fed and happy and keep myself fed and happy, and everything was good. Just happy to be a part of it. I'm still in awe that I can move my hands and do everything, and it's only been like a week and a half, two, you know, so. I don't know if Facebook was reading my mind or what, but it popped up and everything lined up perfectly. When they say perfect alignment, man, the whole process was perfect alignment. Oh, go see Dr. Aguila. He is a great doctor. I am not an actor. I am a legit patient. I had pain in my elbows, stiffness and numbness in my hands, and I tell you what, I am very glad that I did it, and he was a very good doctor. I am singing praises for everybody that had a hand in my my surgery, and I appreciate it. If you have any kind of pain, any kind of carpal tunnel, and you can get this procedure done, please come and do it. Dr. Aguilar is a great person.